So, Mr. Turtle, you seem to know things that most of us do. Answer me.
Don't you squeak at us, Turtle! Now, you listen to me and you listen to me good. What did you do with Ernesto?
I killed him.
Oh, heat is on. Don't shoot him yet.
I want to.
Oh,
You dropped him, boss.
oh, it doesn't matter unless he's feeling pain. It's okay.
That's a good motto. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Oh, he's still flying.
Oh
And
my God!
oh
Oh my God!
no! He seems to be dead.
Autopsy. 4 bullets to the chest.
And
Whoa! Oh, dude, you shot my finger!
sorry, I didn't mean to.
Dude, that really hurt!